tower A, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower B is 46 degrees. From the foot of tower B, the angle of elevation of the top of tower A is 28 degrees. Both towers are on a level ground. If the height of tower B is 120 meters, how high is tower A? So for solution, drawing muna natin. Meron daw dalawang tower. Si tower A, example, this is tower A, and then si tower B. Yan. Tower A and tower B, nasa same level ground sila. So this is tower A, this is tower B. Ang angle of elevation daw from top of tower A to top of tower B, so ito, the angle of elevation is 46 degree. From foot of tower B naman, mula naman dito sa foot of tower B hanggang sa top ng tower A is 28 degree. So this is 28 degree. Ang height ng tower B is 120 meters. Tinatanong kung gaano kataas itong tower A. So yung height ng A yung tinatanong. Para makuha natin yan, first, kailangan nating makuha ito yung hinahanap sa atin. Para makuha natin yan, kailangan makuha muna natin ito. Now, using triangle, let's say na this is A, B, and C. So in triangle, ABC, kung ito ay 46 degree, yung opposite nito will be, this is 28 degree. Ito naman will be 28 minus 90, o 90 minus 28, that will be 62 degree. Ito naman, total angle na nito is 46 plus 28, that is 74 degree. So itong angle sa C is 44 degree. So in triangle ABC, yan, triangle ABC, ito ay 120 meters, ito ay 62, ito ay 44, and this is 74. Kinumpleto lang natin. So kailangan muna nating makuha itong si AC. Ito yun. Oh, AB pala, baliktad. Kailangan muna nating makuha si AB. So using yung sine law, makukuha natin si AB. So 120 meters over sine 74 degree equal siya sa AB over sine ng 44 degree. So you have AB is equal to 120 sine of 44 degree over sine of 74 degree. AB is equal to 86 86.718 meters. So, nakuha na natin itong 86.718 meters. Using itong triangle, sabihin natin this is D. So, DAB. Ito yun. Triangle DAB. This is A. This is D. This is B. Ito ay 28 degree. Ito nakuha na natin to. 86.718. Ito yung hinahanap natin. Height of sine theta equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So in this problem, sine 28 degree equals sa opposite, which is HA over 86.718. HA is equal to 86.718 sine 28 degree. So HA is equal to 40.71 meters. The answer is D, 40.7 meters.